What is the ambient air pressure at 40,000 feet? A 2 bar. B 0.2 bar. C 20 bar. D 0.02 bar. The correct answer is 0.2 bar. Which of the following category permits pilots to land with a decision height of 200 feet? A. Cat IIIa. B. Cat 2. C. Cat I. D. Cat IIIa. The correct answer is Cat I. Which of the following category may also be referred to as 00? A. Cat IIIa. B. Cat 2. C. Cat IIIa. D. Cat IIIa. The correct answer is Cat IIIa. The air used for pressurization is usually bled off from the engines at the stage A. Cryogenic. B. Compressor. C. Thermal. D. Hydraulic. The correct answer is compressor. The cabin pressure is regulated by the valve A. Outflow. B. Inflow. C. Downward. D. Upward. The correct answer is outflow. The fail operational autopilot is a channel system A. Triple. B. 4. C. Double. D. Single. The correct answer is triple. Which of the following is the most common type of SAS? A. Roll damper. B. Yaw damper. C. Pitch damper. D. Banking damper. The correct answer is yaw damper. Cat IIIa permits pilots to land with a decision height as low as 25 feet. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.